How to add custom cover art to local files on Spotify. So to start, we'll just have to open our Spotify account and then in here tap on the Your Library option. After that, it will show me all the playlists I have on my account. And as you can see here, my local files is still not added. So to add the local file, what we need to do is to tap on this profile icon. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. And then in here under Settings, tap on this Apps and Devices option. After that, you will have to scroll down and you will see these local audio files. What we need to do is to enable this one. Once we're done with that, we'll have to go back on our library. And as you can see, local files is now added here. If we open this one, as you can see, there is no option for us to change our local files cover. And then if we go back and then tap and hold on the file, as you can see, nothing is happening. So as of now, Spotify doesn't have a feature for us to change or add a custom cover art to our local files. Actually, there are other ways for you to change or add a custom cover art to your local files, but you need to use a third-party app, which I don't suggest that you do that because it might hack your account. The only thing that I could suggest as of now is by going to your Google Play Store or Apple Store, search for the Spotify app, and make sure that your app is updated to its latest version. By doing that, if there are new features like adding a custom cover art to your local files on Spotify, you will be one of the first to receive that feature. So that's how you can add custom cover art to local files on Spotify. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!